Hey, Suijay, your report card is here.
What does it say?
Not too bad. Your cousin report card looked better, but
What?
did okay as well. A+ for every subject. Yeah.
Those are the best grades that you can... Okay, anyway. Dad, you said you'll buy me a gaming laptop if I got straight A's.
No worry, I have something even better.
Even better, okay.
Did one for you.
Oh, shit, okay. Thanks, Dad.
Let's go, let's go.
A calculator?
Don't rely on it, okay? You only get 30 minutes one day.
Dad, you promised me a gaming laptop.
I'm just joking. I get for you.
Really? Nice.
Here you go.
Oh, jeez, this is heavy. Is this just a stack of math equations?
Đúng rồi. Try to use your calculator.
Fucking hell.
Huh? Did you just say fuck to me? You ungrateful!